In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Uber trip details effortlessly, whether you're coordinating plans with friends or just wanting someone to keep an eye on your route for safety. Sharing your Uber trip is a handy feature. Before you start, ensure that you have an ongoing trip or initiate one if needed. Having a trip ready is essential to utilize the sharing feature. First, we'll navigate to the Uber app on your device. It's always best to make sure the app is updated to its latest version to have access to the newest features and improvements. Upon opening the app, you'll want to look for what's commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. This is typically three horizontal lines located in the top left or right corner of your screen, depending on your device's platform. This icon opens up a side menu, giving you access to various settings and options. Once you've opened the menu, scroll through the options and select Get a Ride. This will guide you to the section where you can book a journey. Most importantly, you'll need to enter your pickup location and your intended destination. This is crucial as these details form the basis of the trip you'll be sharing. Ensure that the information provided is accurate to prevent any mishaps during your ride. After entering your pickup and destination details, proceed with booking your trip. As soon as your trip is underway, you'll notice an option on the screen to share your ride details. This is typically represented by an icon that could be a direct link or simply says Share. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose how you'd like to share the trip details. You can use a variety of messaging or email apps installed on your smartphone. Choose the method that suits you best, whether it be a text message, email, or another preferred platform. Sharing your trip details is a smart way to keep others informed about your journey, providing them with real-time updates on your location as well as expected arrival time. This feature doesn't just keep someone in the loop, but can also be a significant safety measure, ensuring somebody knows your whereabouts. That's it. You've successfully shared your Uber trip details. Just remember, the next time you're on an Uber ride and feel the need to loop someone in, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the sharing process. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks related to apps and other digital tools. Safe travels.